All right, so just one last example around volume and liters. All right, so it's this one over here where I'm not given a diagram. So what is the volume of a cylindrical glass with a height of 10 centimeters and a radius of 4 centimeters? So what's the volume of a cylindrical glass, so just a cylinder? So let's, if you're not given a diagram, you usually are in exam questions, but if you're not, just draw cylinder quickly. What am I told? I'm told the height is 10 and I'm told the radius is 4. And it says, what is the volume of that? All right, so volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. I'm not told what value to use for pi here. I'm told in the next part of the answer that they want the answer in litres correct to 1 decimal place, but it doesn't tell me to use 3.14 or to press the pi button on the calculator or to use anything else. Okay, so this time I'll press the pi button on the calculator for pi. So pi multiplied by the radius squared here is 4 squared multiplied by the height is 10. So just type that into your calculator. Pi multiplied by 4 squared multiplied by 10. 160 pi, just press change. So that is 502 shall I go to 2 decimal places? Just 65 centimeters cubed. But then it tells me, give your answer in litres correct to 1 decimal place. So we know to go from centimeters cubed into litres, I divide by 1000. So 502.65 divided by 1000 is 0.50265. And then it says in litres correct to 1 decimal place. So 0.5. The number after the 5 is 0, so that's telling you to round down. So that is just 0.5 litres. Okay, so that's the volume of your glass. Okay, so 0.5 litres, half a litre. Again, that makes sense because 1 litre is 1000 centimeters cubed. So around about 500 centimeters cubed. 500 is around about a half a thousand. So a half a litre. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. Second part of the question then, how many of these glasses could you fill from a 2 litre bottle of Coke? So this is asking you, how many 0.5 litres can you get out of 2 litres? Okay, so basically how many halves are there? How many 0.5s are there in 2? So to answer that, you're going to divide. Okay, so to find out how many 0.5s there are in 2, I would do 2 litres divided by 0.5 litres. So to find out how many 0.5s you can get out of 2, you divide. So 2 divided by 0.5 is equal to 4. Okay, so if you were to fill these glasses right up to the brim and get 500 millilitres out of them, or 0.5 litres out of them, sorry, you would get 4 glasses from the 2 litre bottle. All right, and that is volume in litres. Okay, so to get volume in litres, just get the volume the normal way first. So use for a cuboid, length by width by height. For a cylinder, pi r squared h. But after you get your answer in centimeters cubed, you will divide by 1000 to change it into litres. As I said in the last video, I think they will give you this in an exam. Okay, it's great if you remember it that 1 litre is 1000, but I would say they'll give you this. You just need to remember that it is divide by 1000 to go from centimeters cubed to litre. But like I said, do that kind of common sense check at the end of your answer. So 500 centimeters cubed, I divided that by 1000 and I got about 0.5. So 500 centimeters cubed is about half a litre. Yeah, that makes sense if 1000 centimeters cubed is 1 litre. All right, so that is volume in litres, as I say, thinking about volume as how much liquid can a shape hold, can a cylinder hold, can a cuboid hold.